Um, yeah, dear friends, welcome to our bamboo industrial development webinar. And today is our fifth session. This session is bamboo machine and equipment development. Bamboo has over 10,000 uses. Benefiting from fast bamboo industrial development, we could enjoy different high quality and versatile bamboo products. But compared to trees for industrial utilization, bamboo is quite different. Bamboo is smaller, hollow, thin wall. So bamboo industry utilization need quite different machines from wood industry. For bamboo to be utilized for industrial purposes, a key issue for bamboo producer needs to face is to create and produce special machines and equipment that fit to the feature of specific bamboo materials to be used, while at the same time can produce qualified products and in high efficiency. And this session, we will have an overview on bamboo machines and equipment development, common bamboo processing machines and equipment. Hope it help our audience to know better about bamboo machinery, promote bamboo industrial development by proper and efficient processing machines. So it's our honor we have invited 3 speakers for our session today. Our first speaker is Professor Fu Wanshi, and he has a PhD in engineering and is a researcher and a tutor of PhD students, and well recognized expert that enjoyed special allowance of Chinese State Council, former director of the Beijing Forestry Machinery Institute of National Forestry and Grassland Administration, and he is also Secretary General for National Innovation Alliance of Forestry and Forestry Equipment Industry. And he is also Vice President of China Forestry Machinery Association. Professor Fu has been engaged in forest machinery research, design, and production for nearly 40 years, and had been spearheading the research and development work of a great number of forestry equipment, automatic production lines of composite boards, including bamboo processing technologies and related equipment. His extensive works and experiences had won him many national prizes, including the first prize of World Research Award of Mao Yisheng Science and Technology Award, first prize of China Forestry Innovation Award, and the major scientific and technological achievement award of China Academy of Forestry. Professor Fu's presentation is Development and Future of Bamboo Machinery in China. Professor Fu, please.
Okay. Thank you for Dr. Jin He, Dr. Fu. Hello, everyone. I'm very glad to attend today's technical exchanging meeting. As you know, China's bamboo industry is in a leading position in the world. I will introduce the development and current situation of bamboo machinery in China. At the same time, I'm very happy to accept your questions and discussion. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. My name is Fu Wanshi from Beijing Forestry Machinery Research Institute of the National Forestry and Grassland Administration. My topic is development and future of bamboo machinery in China. About Chinese bamboo machinery. China is the country with the richest bamboo resources in the world, known as the Bamboo Kingdom. We use bamboo to produce daily products such as chopsticks for thousands of years. but bamboo machinery used to be manual work. The development of bamboo machinery in China started in the 1970s. In 1984, 2 production lines of bamboo chopsticks from Taiwan province were introduced to Hunan and Fujian. Bamboo machinery is developing rapidly since 2000. Bamboo machinery in the world. At first, I would like to introduce what's the bamboo machinery. We defined that all the machine and equipment which deal with bamboo. The difference between bamboo processing machinery and wood processing machinery. The same point for lumber and wood-based or bamboo-based panel, hot press, saw cutting, milling, sanding, and drilling. Only used in bamboo industry, split off, wire drawing, extraction of bamboo juice, textile. Why? Because the difference of bamboo physiological construction, chemical component, product uses. The world status of bamboo machinery. For bamboo machinery research and development, here is a great regional difference for 3 largest bamboo area. APEC, there are relatively complete processing machinery and equipment in bamboo crafts, bamboo furniture, bamboo construction, bamboo papermaking industry, just mainly in China, following wood processing machinery. Now is half automatic and mechanization. South America, bamboo processing technology and equipment mainly are very small amount of primary processing, construction, papermaking equipment, preliminary mechanization. In Africa region, industrial use of bamboo has just started. The development of bamboo processing technology and equipment are extremely underdeveloped. Manual work mainly. Generally speaking, in terms of the world, bamboo industry is underdeveloped compared to wood processing machinery. APEC, Asian Pacific, is now half automatic and mechanization. The cutting saw, splitting machine, the planing. South America. South America has rich bamboo resources, but the industrial use has just started. Africa region, manual work. The development of bamboo industry in Africa is very low, hovering in the stage of agricultural culture. General bamboo machinery in China. The classification of bamboo machinery according to the machine uses. We have 11 kinds of machinery in China, including processing based panel, sheet, chopstick, bar, chemical, pulp making, furniture, and softening machine, and also about OSB machinery. Here is a special technology about bamboo processing. Bamboo bronze machinery. Later, I will mention what's bamboo bronze. Primary processing machinery, sawing machine, green shave machine, splitting machine. Bamboo-based panel machinery. We have a lot of kinds of bamboo-based panel machinery in China. We also set up a lot of production line. Here, I give you 10 kinds of different bamboo-based panel machinery. Here, this is a bamboo-based panel multi-open hot press knitting machine, bamboo flooring machine, multi-blade saw, floor trimmer, forming machine, floor milling machine, bamboo sheet machinery. In this field, the machine is a high degree of automation and world advanced level. The bamboo chopstick and bar machinery is very mature. A lot of machines have been exported. Chopstick polishing machine, chopstick shaping machine, bamboo chemical machinery. In this field, bamboo chemical machinery is just beginning, but I think in the future, there is a very rich future. The bamboo charcoal dryer, pneumatical pound dryer, bamboo paper making machinery. The level is just behind the wood paper making machinery, but in China, it landing the world. Here is a hot refiner, then bamboo pulp washer. Bamboo furniture machinery. Normally, we make small furniture with bamboo softening machinery. It's quite different from wood. We can make bamboo softening. And here is OSB processing. We use bamboo to produce oriented strand board. We call it BOSB. The picture is the bamboo flicker. You can find how the bamboo flicker works. Like this. Here is the bamboo OSB, the first board in China. Bamboo recombining the original status. We call bamboo recombining in original status is BROS, BROS. I invented BROS 2006. We can recombine bamboo pieces in original status without making it into fiber or particle. Here is a milling machine and a high frequency press. The shaping machine of 6 side, finger joint machine, sampling forming machine. We can use the BROS to make furniture or construction. Here also we can make the BROS board into BROS lumber. Here is a table. On the picture, you can find all the furniture were made of BROS material. Other bamboo machinery, bamboo silvicultural machines. Here we give you 5 kinds of machines. Most of them need to be solved, to be developed in China. Now I would like to introduce some of the modern bamboo machinery in China. China's bamboo industry lends the international development developers towards automation and intelligence. Here are some of the newest machines. You can see them on the video. Here is automatic bamboo splitting equipment. For the older ones, splitting machine, in order to choose the right knife, need the operator to measure the diameter of bamboo pipe by hand. With high labor and poor safety, the new machine can finish automatic feeding, grading, knives changing, and alignment. You can see here to measure the diameter by the machine hand. There are 4 star knives. This is another kind of splitting machine with automatic collection of bamboo strips. You can see here there are 10 star knives output here, collecting the bamboo strips. You can see here is a sensor to measure the diameter of bamboo and choose the right knives. Here to change the star knives, altogether 10 star knives. This is automatic sorting robot. After bamboo pipe splitting, according to the wall thickness of bamboo, it can be classified automatically. This is the automatic measuring system of bamboo wall. You can see how many millimeter of the bamboo wall. According to the different bamboo wall thickness, they are classified and stacked. You can see here is a sensor here to measure the thickness of a bamboo pipe wall. This is the automatic color sorter. According to the different color of bamboo strip, they are classified and stacked by machine automatically, by laser. Detect the different color to the different stacks. Now here, this is a very interesting machine, bamboo sheet knitting machine. The sheet is usually knitted by hand, but here it is done by machine. This machine is very simple, but very useful. I think it's very interesting for me. You can see the bamboo sheet is making. There are many kinds of advanced bamboo machines. Due to the time limited, I only introduce some of them here. The future of modern bamboo machinery in China. We are doing a lot of research of bamboo machinery. In the future, China's bamboo machinery will develop in the following direction. Number 1, harvesting mechanization. Now, it's all manual logging and transportation on the mountains. We need mechanical cutting and transportation, and even preliminary processing in the mountains. Number 2, automation. Bamboo processing plants need automation equipment to reduce labor cost. Number 3, intelligence. Intelligent control is the only way for the development of bamboo industry. Number 4, environmental protection. Bamboo processing must be environmental. Number 5, save raw material. At present, the waste of raw material is very large, and the utilization rate of bamboo is less than 50%. Number 6, bamboo robot. Bamboo robots are very important both indoors and outdoors. Thank you. Thank you very much for your attention. Welcome to communicate with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, Professor Fu, for your excellent presentation. So Professor Fu reviewed the history and the development of bamboo machinery in China and in the world, and also the future of bamboo machinery. And he introduced the different bamboo machines, and also he mentioned his intervention, the bamboo recombining in original statue. And due to the higher and higher labor cost, so we need more efforts to develop also bamboo machines for bamboo plantation management, for example, for harvesting and transportation. And it was very impressive to see the automatic bamboo splitting machine from the video of Professor Fu's presentation. And presently, last November, when I accompanied the Ethiopia delegation to Fujian, Yunnan, and we also see this automatic bamboo splitting machine, and it can select the life based on the bamboo diameter, and also it can sort the bamboo silver based on the thickness of the wall, and so it will increase the efficiency and also reduce the waste of bamboo splitting. So also Professor Fu showed us the cleaning machine for bamboo mat weaving. So we can use bamboo mat for container board, for cement board, and it increase highly the efficiency. Yeah. So I think it's our audience maybe they can know better about the bamboo machine from Professor Fu's presentation. So thank you, Professor Fu, again. And now we move to the second speaker, and Mr. Mo. He is the president and the general manager of Qingdao Guosen Machinery, China, and he is also a member of China National Committee of Top Experts in Water and Bamboo Engineer Technology Innovation, member of Biomass Science Branch, and the council member of Water Engineer Branch of China Society of Forestry, and a member of Bamboo Engineering Committee of the China Forestry Machinery Society. He has been engaged in the development of machineries for wood and bamboo composite boards for nearly 40 years. Guosen is a national high-tech enterprise and a member of National Bamboo and Rattan Innovation Alliance and the National Technology Innovation Alliance for wood and bamboo industry. Mr. Moore's presentation is bamboo laminated lumber and bamboo scrimber technology with equipment introductions. Mr. Moore, please.
Okay, then we can start, Mr. Fu.
Yeah.
Okay, I just give the brief introduction. My president and engineer, Mr. Mo, because he coming late. Say goodbye. Say good evening. All right. And okay, then I will give the introduction about the two lines. Our produce, the first line, bamboo laminated lumber production line, and the equipment, and the second, the second is the bamboo scraper. Okay, I showing my videos.
Hello everyone, this is Liu from Qingdao Guosen Machinery, China. Our company established in 1952. We are mainly working on the bamboo board machinery, researching and manufacturing. Today, most of China bamboo board factory using our machine. Also, we export many equipments and production lines to abroad. Today, I'm lucky here to share two production lines about the bamboo board process with you. They are most popular in today's bamboo board industry. Yes, maybe you guessed right. They are bamboo laminated lumber and bamboo scraper. Let's see how we got it from bamboo tubes and what machinery and the procedures we need to go. Okay, let's say it step by step. Okay, let's see today's topic again. Today we will see the bamboo laminated lumber and the bamboo scraper process technology and the related machinery. I divided two parts to give introduction about these two lines. The part A, I will let you know the bamboo laminated lumber process flow and equipments it need. And in the part B, we will give brief introduction about the bamboo scraper process flow and the machinery it need. Let's see these two production line difference. And they take the different basic material as the process start. The bamboo laminated lumber, we take the glued bamboo strips as the material, but in the bamboo scraper, we take the glued bamboo bottles at the beginning. We know the bamboo bottles is the bamboo strips after crushed. The pictures like this, we can see their difference. Here is the bamboo laminated lumber process flow, step by step. Bamboo select, then cut off, the tubes splitting, then rough planing, two choice carbonizing or blanching, or dry and fine planing, then glued. The strips to press get the bamboo board. After that, we can give some more deeper process to do the products we need. First step, bamboo select. The bamboo select, here we must choose the adult bamboo, the appropriate age, means the no significant, mold aging, the no wormholes, it means. Good quality bamboo tubes as the material. Second step is cut off. Here, we use the bamboo cutting machine to cut off the bamboo tubes to the length our board need. Third is bamboo tubes splitting. We can use the splitting machine to split the bamboo tubes to get the strips. The fourth, we give the rough planing. In this stage, we use the machine to get rid of the nose of the both surface and the skins of both surface to fix the width of the bamboo slices to form a, great bamboo slices. Here is the carbonizing. We use the carbide furnace. And this machine can give high temperature, high pressure, and humidity to kill the insects, remove the sugars, and balancing the moisture inside of the bamboo strips. And also can make the color darker of the strips. Also, if you like the original bamboo color, you can choose the blending, the boiling, and the brighting. Put the bamboo strips in hot water and put some additive like hydroperoxide, then boiling. Also can remove the sugar, balancing the moisture, and identify the color difference. On the 6th, we need to build some dry houses. Here we give high temperature air and to evaporate the water of the bamboo strips, reduce it to meet the process requirements. And then the 7, the fine plane, and we use the fine planing machine and to process the bamboo strips to a very precise shape and the size we need. Prepare for the board press. 8. Bamboo strips glued. After the fine plant, the strips already perfect on surface. Then here we use the adhesive solution coat on the surface with this machine. This is the finest, the last step to before the board press. 9. The core part is the line to press the board. And we use the glued bamboo strips, integrate composite to a slab, then put in the press machine, give hard temperature and pressure, then make them, integral together. Then we get the board slab. The 10th, surface dip process. According to the requirements of the different products you want to do, you can do some deeper process, use some standard machinery, and you can do sanding, use sanding machine, and milling, slotting, and final painting on surface. Then you get a very perfect economic product you can sell. And anyway, after that, the process is finished. Let's say their product, bamboo laminated lumber, always used as in the furniture, the flooring, the cutting board, and other bamboo, crafts. After deep process, look at the picture; it's very beautiful, right? Let's say part B, the bamboo scraper process flow and equipments. Let's see the process flow first. The bamboo cut, then get size tubes and splitting, and then get strips to crushing, carbonizing the bottles, and dry, then glued dip, and then dry again. Then have two choice: hard press, get the slab, the board, and cold press, get the square block. The first two steps, bamboo cut off and splitting, is same as the bamboo laminated lumber process above we mentioned, because both of them is used for get the bamboo strips. The third step is the crushing. the crushing machine make the bamboo strips, into the bottles and remove the outer and inner the skins. The skins will affect the glow coating, glow coating. And anyway, we get the bamboo bottles in this stage. Carbonizing is similar as we mentioned before. It's to kill the insects and remove the sugars and balancing the moisture inside. The forbid furnace give the high temperature and pressure. 5 is dry before glue, and I also need a blow dry hose to dry the bottles to remove the extra moisture inside to give the space to the glow dip inside later. And the glow dip, and this is the automatic glow dip production line. Instead of the traditional manual operate, and this machine just need one person to operate. All procedures are automatic, and people put the bottles into the cages, then press buttons can operate all the way. So that can give very exact glow dip time like that, and also can follow the strict the technology requests. And number 7 is dry after glow. Is after glowed, we need this dry tunnel to dry the bottles again, and make the moisture final of the bottles will reach the 12 or 15% to reach our technology process request. Then hot pressing. Hot pressing is the cold part of the line, and after dry, the bamboo bottles are poured into the hot press machine like this, and inside the high temperature and the pressure will make the glow inside of the bottles get solidified. And after press, we get the bamboo strips like the right down picture. So, and after that, we need the trim saw to cut off the heads, and the multi-blade saw to divide the plate to many narrow spaces, and maybe can use the full flow like that. This is cold press, and cold press machine is also put the bamboo bottles and into the machine, and but it need a mold. It need a U-shaped mold. The cold press machine will press the bamboo bottles into this mold, and with a high temperature, and then will look a lid, a cover lid outside, to lock it. And after that, and the mold with the material will put into the carving tunnels, and on certain times, then the adhesive will solidify inside, and the bottles will get into a whole square blocks, and after that we'll get out, we'll put into a cooling paste. Then we need the demolding machines to remove the the mold, the cover on top, and the pins to lock it. Then we get the block. After that, we have the automatic stacking machines to to stack the blocks on the pallets. Then we can use forklift to move to other place. Then this is also a saw and to trim two ends off. And also we need this surface mailer and to get off the the even materials on the surfaces to get to make it the surfaces of the block smoothly. And also we need this multiply saw to divide the block to many small pieces. After that, we need the balancing rooms, and we put the final product, the panels, and in the balancing room according to the process requests, and we adjust the room's temperature and humidity and make the panels to release in the interior stress, and make the moisture inside to balancing. Anyway, to make the panel stable, all the characters stable. And after that, and we can do other deeper process like sanding, mailing, slotting, painting, and other surface, treatment, and based on our product's request. Okay, this is the temperature. It's a screen board. And the hard press board, we can use it for the floor outdoors like this. Like using airport, the park, seaside, and the hotel residence. Mainly used for outdoors, very beautiful. This the roofs in China, very famous large bamboo factories use our machine. Maybe you know this brand and factories. Here is my name card. Any question and doubt about this tool line or about the bamboo board making? Contact me. I like to share my experience with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Moore, for your excellent presentation. And this presentation introduced the processing floor and the machines for bamboo laminated lamp and the bamboo screen bed. And the bamboo screen bed by Professor Fu also we mentioned the OSB, oriented strand woven, yeah. So actually, I visited Mr. Moore's company. With Mr. Moore's company by 2014 when I guided an international bamboo tour in China. So it is a top bamboo machine manufacturer in China, and his company has supplied many machines, bamboo machines, to some best companies in China and also to international market. So I think through this presentation, you know roughly the processing floor and what kind of machine do you need. So also I read some questions and so in the future maybe we can invite Mr. Moore's company to develop more machines oriented to our tropical bamboo species. And because for the moment most of the machine from Mr. Moore's company is for wood and also for muscle. So maybe we need a little different machine from tropical species. So thank you, Mr. Moore, and your colleague for this excellent presentation. Now we will invite the third speaker, Mr. Anand from India, and he is the CEO and head of new product development of Garnet India, a manufacturer of bamboo and water processing machines in India. Mr. Arnold was received training on engineer in number multi-nation companies in India after his graduation as a Bachelor of Engineering in Industrial and Production, and has been working on international projects sponsored by UNIDO and other research institutes. As an experienced bamboo engineering professional, he has been invited to be speaker at the World Bamboo Congress in 2009 and 2012, and many national and also international conferences and exhibitions. So Mr. Anand's presentation is evolution of bamboo product and machinery. Mr. Anand, please.
Anand, please unmute your microphone.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Anand Bhatia from Garnet, India. We are manufacturers of machines for bamboo processing, woodworking. We also work with a lot of composites, basically, because composites are made from natural material, so bamboo, wood, and similar products. So we make similar machines for the last 40 years or more. Just a personal introduction of mine. I'm an engineer. I've done my MBA, Masters in Management from SP Jain, Mumbai, that is in India, one of the pioneer institutes. I have an experience of about 15 years working on bamboo, wood, and related machines and tools. It is my family business, Garnet India, the company. My father started the company about 40 years back. We have been making woodworking, bamboo processing, special purpose machines for fiberglass and related composites for the last 40 years. We are probably one of the only companies in the world to have ISO 9000-2015 with design and development in the sectors of bamboo, wood, and cutting tools as well. We have very skilled manpower as the people have been working here for a longer time. Just a brief introduction of our company. We have been in the field of developing these machines. We basically are more into turnkey solutions. We check your raw material species, then we decide and give you the suggestions of what kind of products are feasible from your product. And then thereafter, we suggest what machines are suitable for you and your people, as the skill set varies from one country to another. Maybe sometimes the people are more skilled in one area and may not be skilled or may not be knowing how to process bamboo. So we train your people, we train how to make the product properly, and we also help you install the machines. We have more than about 10,000 installations in India and abroad. We have more than cutting tools of 1500 or more types, as we supply toolings for ferrous, non-ferrous, wood, bamboo, and other purposes. Bamboo machines have been developing as per the customer requirements, like the species, like the kind of end products, and the development always goes on. And special purpose machines are basically the composite machines that we have been making for various composites that are available in the market. When we talk about the evolution of bamboo machinery, the first phase of the presentation, bamboo processing machines depends on various factors to be decided. What kind of machines we need for a production factory varies a lot from a factory which is looking to make a prototype or probably looking to make a new kind of a product. They may be making it for a first time. They may be doing a lot of R&D, or in fact, when you want to train your artisans who are making handicrafts or furnitures to get a skill set to make world-class or better products, then a different kind of machines are required. So we are more apt into machines where the production species, artisans, and the kind of products has to be customized. Not only a standard set of machine works for everyone. So our machines are designed for each and every usage or species or the end product requirement separately. Machines for skill development or employment generation activities like the manual or semi-automatic machines are also available. When we talk about machine design or the kind of machines required, they basically varies as per these factors. The type of bamboo available, that is the species of the bamboo. Like in India, we have Balcoa, Asper, Tulda, Hamiltoni, Bambusa bamboos, Bambusa strictus and other species. Products that are marketable, like in India, incense sticks, boards, smaller products that are used for office wares, tablewares, similar products are required. Skill set of the people, like if your people are having knowledge for woodworking, so a product that is related to furniture would be more suited for you. In a similar way, we can design the products as per your need. Machines are basically decided as per these below factors. If you require labor intensive, that is the machine would do less processes, the labor would be required more for feeding and other purposes. Power intensive are the machines like the lumber, like the strand woven, like the board making and similar machines. Multi-product based machines are machines like for furnitures, handicrafts, like one machine can be used for making furnitures as well as for the handicrafts as well. Simple, easy to use machines that can use multiple species. Like we have our machines working in Mexico that are using variety of species from Gigantus to Asper to Guadua to Balcoa. And we help solve the bottlenecks. Like if there is some process that is a problem to you, we can design a machine to solve that problem. Just an example of what kind of machines we manufacture and what kind of products that are made from our machines are listed in the file, in the presentation. The top of the line products are basically stick-based beam products, or round sticks, or skivers, or blinds, skirrers for coffee and similar products. The next line shows the laminated bamboo furniture or the products in which panels, floor tiles, wall panels, structures are used. Next line of the products are more requiring value addition, also the skill set of the people like furniture, structures, handicraft. These products are basically based on the artistic designs. The person having art or wanting to make products that are very exclusive selects these kind of products. The next line of products are the waste generating or products made from waste from other industries, or in fact sometimes if the product requirement for biomass is higher, we can make these products as well, like the charcoal, briquettes, biomass products. And the last but not the least product that is right now in a lot of demand and a lot of development is going on is the product that requires new product development, like composites, bamboo plastic composites, bamboo fiber composites and related composites. So we are working with a lot of international institutes for developing a lot of bamboo fiber, bamboo based, bamboo waste, bamboo plastic based composites. One of our example of our machines that does a lot of operations in one machine is called universal. Universal means one machine does all. So this is one of a kind of machine which does a lot of operations on wood as well as bamboo in one machine itself. As you can see, there are various operations that you can do with the same machine. This machine is a very low investment machine, but can handle more species around the world. This machine is working in Mexico, Ethiopia, India, Southeast Asia, and other places as well, as this works on most kind of bamboo, most kind of species, and most kind of products. Just to start with, on the top left, we can see bamboo cutting, splitting, outside knot cleaning, inside knot cleaning, rough planing, three-side planing, sanding, that is to clean the surfaces, angle cutting to make the frames, slotting and drilling for the joining, grooving for the slot making, cladding and other purposes. So this is one of a kind machine that we developed about 25-30 years back, which can do a lot of operations. In the long run of making these machines have become more and more user friendly and can be adopted and made as per the species involved. One of a machine that is very different from other machines is a bamboo machine that makes bamboo into a round, even shape. Because at most places where there is a tropical bamboo or there is a sympodial bamboo, which has got a range of diameter difference, it is very difficult to process it. This machine makes diameter of the bamboo even. Like you can see in the picture example, the bamboo is being converted into a 1 diameter bamboo so that it can be used for furnitures, it can be used for other purposes in a better way. So this is machine we call this as a round turning machine, which is a boom for a furniture industry. Just an example of the round turn bamboo, what we can do, we can join it using a metal hardware, we can use it using a bamboo hardware, or we can, in fact, join it themselves using the picture as shown below. We are using a similar bamboo that is nearly solid or bamboo that is having a wall thickness higher. We can join it using a similar joining machine as shown in the picture. These kind of joineries can be designed as per the bamboo available or as per the product being made. The picture shown of the product is the top picture is like a table and a chair or a stool, and the bottom picture shows which can make a back of a chair or which can be made into a seat just using a proper knockdown furniture. Knockdown furnitures are very easy to transport, so this would be the new generation bamboo furnitures that would be required and made in the future. We also make presses, heavy duty, light duty, as per the bamboo customized for requirements, from lumbers to laminated bamboos to smaller size composite presses for making bamboo plastic composites and related composites. So these presses are made on order, may be required for research or these other purposes or mass production purposes. So we are making them regularly as well. For every press, the end product required has to have a lot of finishing that requires to make into a final product. So the final product may be panels, floor tiles, board finishing, and boards of various other kinds. So these are the machines that are required to make a finished product. Four-side shaping, sanding, UV coating, coating of the layer on top to give it a glossy or a matte finish, and curing. Curing hardens the coating very fast. So the person can actually harden the coating and use it for mass production thereafter. When we are making these products, the major problem comes is the installation. As these machines are exported around the world, so machines have to be easy for installation and need a lot of customization. So the top treatment plant has a chemical tank also inbuilt into the machine. So this is just a plug and play machine for treatment of bamboo, because a lot of places have got a lot of customization problem in terms of installing of the machines. When we are looking to install a machine at one side, there can be a lot of problems, like the foundation may not be proper, the ground may not be proper, the electrical connections may not be proper, or maybe the labor may be making mistakes in installing the machine. To make these things foolproof, we have designed a lot of systems. Like the treatment tank being shown has the bottom chemical tank also inbuilt. So you just need to plug the power and the machine is working. The chipping machine shown at the bottom was supplied in Mexico because they wanted a machine, they wanted to fit their own motors. So the machine was provided without motor. The bottom on the left shows a slicing machine, a fine slicing machine for mats and other purposes, but the customer wanted the product and the slice to be kept on the machine itself. So we have provided material handling solutions along with it. Next, when these machines are designed, the major problem comes, and the major things that have to be taken care of is how and where these machines are being used. When the machines are used by an entrepreneur or a startup, their requirement is very different. They use intellectual property rights like patents or trademarks. So they want their technology to be with them, not to be spread out to others. So we help them, we sign non-disclosure agreements, and we understand their technology and designs machines as per their prototypes or mass production requirements. We help them design and make machines as per their problems and solve their bottlenecks. The next problem is what is the kind of raw material they want to use and what is the finished product they want to use. So we help them design these machines as per their raw material and finished product requirements. When we talk about bigger organizations like government initiatives or people looking to make training or R&D institutes, we design machines specifically for them, because R&D institute doesn't require machines to make just single purpose or single solution as per one species. They require products to be made exactly as per their requirement of R&D. R&D requirements can be from one species to many. It can be from one type of product to hundreds of type of product. So we design these machines as per products and the raw material and the finished product requirements. When we talk about the second phase of my PPT, that is how the bamboo product development has evolved from the low cost, that is the houses, basketry, bows and arrows and the flutes, to the present day products and what would be the future ahead. When we talk about the 21st century, we see that the laminated bamboo board furnitures, the boards, the laminates, the structures, the round bamboo products like incense sticks, blinds, skewers are being made. But when we talk about today, what products that excite us more in bamboo are the bamboo brushes, the bamboo tableware, the bamboo composites that are replacing probably the automotive products or aeronautical products, bamboo board based products that are very different, not like the flooring or the panels, but the chopping boards, but trays and similar products. So we are helping a lot of other companies to make these kind of products that are not exactly a huge mass production requirement, but are very specific to the market they want to cater. Bamboo activated charcoal, bamboo normal charcoal, bamboo briquettes are one of them also. What we see as the future of these industry. When we talk about the bamboo and the products, innovative products or probably newer products are the future. When we talk about the newer products means higher value addition. They are getting more value out of the product and they are getting more profitability. So products that are more profitable would be the future products. Standard products like the boards, the panels, incense sticks, agarbatti sticks, all these products would become required in larger scale. But similarly, as the scale increases, due to competition, the profitability would also reduce. Also, as per our times, now everybody is looking to make products that are less toxic, less polluting to the environment, more environment friendly, having more components of environment. So we are concentrating on products that are more for the futuristic thinking, products that definitely would last more than 30 years and probably will live the next cycle. They may not die now, but they are just starting to bud. So for us, we see the products that are being made as per the bamboo, as per the plantation, as per the processing of the local area being developed more and more. If we look at the products that are having higher marketability and also can be sourced from the local bamboo, would be the products of the future. What are the newer developments that are happening in the processing industry? Yes, bamboo machines and the processing are ever developing fields. We are always looking at customer feedbacks, looking at developing machines that would require lesser labor, that are developed as per the bamboo available, that are developed as per the finished product to be made. If we require automation, feeding systems, conveyors, automation systems are available. Single person handling multiple machines are always needed. Nowadays, people are giving more importance to the finishing line of the product, like laser marking, the CNC programmed machines for the shaping, so that we are able to customize each and every product as per the customer requirement. For startups, we are also providing business-based consultancy, product-based consultancy, and processing solutions as per their bamboo products. Smaller prototype making and multi-purpose solutions are always available. We have bamboo laminated board and flooring based panel lines that are starting from a very low cost that may be equivalent to a small hydraulic press costing $30,000 or more. Customization is always available because these machines need to be customized as per the bamboo. Otherwise, these machines won't last on a general parameter. We are always there. We hope we all can together grow and promote bamboo and its product. Thank you. If you have any questions, I'm always there to discuss about them. I'm Anand Bhatia. My contact details are mentioned in the presentation and on this page. You can contact me through WhatsApp, Viber, WeChat, Telegram, and other mediums. I'm there on YouTube channel, Anand Bhatia in Garnet, India, and the websites and email addresses are mentioned below. So I would be happy to help you and solve your doubts. Thank you. If you have got any queries, or Professor and other persons and the other presenters, I'm there to resolve. You can always contact us for any queries thereafter. Thank you.
Dr. Fu, please unmute your microphone.
Okay.
Yeah. So, Ms. Anand, thank you for your excellent presentation, and you have introduced the evolution of bamboo products and machinery. So it seems your machinery is mainly focused on tropical bamboo species. Yeah. So it is impressive to use one machine for multi-purpose, for multi-products. Yeah. And yeah. So also you. So I think now we can move to the question and answer. So for the moment we have many questions. Yeah. First we have question to Professor Fu. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
normally, there are so many questions. Normally, I find 3 questions about me.
Professor,
yeah, moment, yeah. Yeah.
Camera.
Yeah. So, Professor Fu, there is one question. So they ask why the bamboo machinery are different from wood process machinery.
Okay. Okay. Now, I just speak or I write a message on the question.
傅老师，麻烦您那个打开一下摄像头。
我已经打开了。
我们这里看不到。
哦。
傅老师，那个您的麦克风是关闭的，影像可以了。
Oh, is this all right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, something has gone wrong with my camera. First, the question 1 about why bamboo machinery have to be different from wood processing machinery. At first, for the pre-processing of bamboo, it is completely different from wood, and it is impossible to copy woodworking machinery. The main reason is that the bamboo is hollow. Bamboo is hollow, and the structure of bamboo green and the bamboo yellow is different at first. Then, even for the later processing of bamboo, the hardness, fiber content, easy splitting, and other properties of bamboo cannot be completely use woodworking machinery. Yeah, it's clear or not?
Okay, thank you, Professor Fu. And the second question for you. And so they ask several bamboo processing machinery suitable for most bamboo are not suitable for tropical bamboo species. Do you think it's right or wrong?
Yeah. My answer is, since more than 90% of China's bamboo industry is mainly about muscle bamboo, it is possible that some machines are not suitable for clamping bamboo. Yeah, in China, mainly China bamboo industry is mainly about muscle bamboo.
Okay, good. Okay, thank you, Professor Fu, and for the moment. And then we have a question for Mr. Mo.
No. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Another question about me.
No. Yeah. Later, we will raise another question for you. We will first now give the question to Mr. Mo and Mr. Anand.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Later. Yeah.
Oh.
So, Mr. Mo, one question asked to share the website of your company. I think Mr. Liu have showed this your website and communication by the presentation. So there is another question, and the question for Mr. Mo, I would like to ask expert, can you introduce what kind of machine is suitable for processing bamboo electronic products, such as bamboo mouse, bamboo speaker, and which technological process do you think is most important for processing high-tech bamboo products? Mr. Mo, please answer the two questions.
需要我翻译一下吗？
我这个第一个副先生讲的第一个，他说是什么主什么产品，我没听太清楚。
他说的是这个电子类的产品，比如说这个鼠标、键盘呀，还有这个话筒，这一类的东西。他说是什么机器做的这些产品？我想他指的是这个单板产品。然后呢，第二个问题呢，他是说生产就是叫做高技术，就是叫做高端技术的这个竹子产品。您认为就是说哪一项技术是比较重要的，就生产高端的这个竹子产品？
好的是最高端的。Okay, our answer is we think like the speaker, the mouse, these things like Ms. Jane just mentioned is maybe use the bamboo laminated lumber as material, but we have not this experience to produce this electrical parts. And about the high technology of the bamboo, we think the topic this time is the bamboo scraper related product.
So maybe I can add something because I visited this bamboo mouse and bamboo speaker, bamboo keyboard company in Jiangxi province in Tonggu County few times. And this is one of the best company from the similar electronic bamboo products manufacturer. And I think this machine is specifically for the curve mouse and the keyboard production. So it's quite different from Mr. Moore's machineries. Mr. Moore's machinery is for huge board or hot pressing or cold pressing this is like a board or scramble, OSB. Yeah. So for this electronic bamboo products, it's like a small products. Yeah. But yeah, for the keyboard, it's quite different. You have to make the metal and the bamboo combine together, because for the keyboard, you have to press maybe more than 100,000 times for the lifespan of a keyboard. So you have to make sure this combination is very good, not separated. And yeah, so also for this speaker, you need the good audio property. Yeah, so you can listen to the beautiful music through the bamboo speaker. Yeah. So this is my input for this question. So thank you, Ms. Mo and Ms. Liu. So we have question for Mr. Arnold. So also this also including my question. Yeah, Mr. Arnold, what are the difference between the machines for tropical bamboo and moso bamboo? What is your opinion, the difference between the machine for moso bamboo and for tropical bamboo?
Just a technical point that is the most important point in defining the bamboo is that moso is a monopodial bamboo. It grows like a tree. It's a single tree kind of bamboo, monopodial. And most tropical bamboos are sympodial. They grow in a bunch. There are many bamboos that are growing together. So what happens is when a bamboo bunch grows together, they are fighting with each of the bamboo for air, water, sunlight, and soil. And thus the knots and the bamboo becomes harder, and it has also got properties of bending and also unevenness of the nodes. This causes a problem in processing of the bamboo, and that is why it is very, very different from moso. Moso being a bamboo grown in a climate which is milder, lighter, with more amount of water, so it requires lesser processing power. Also, the grain structure is also lighter in moso and harder in tropical bamboos. So that forms the difference between the processing part of both kind of bamboos.
Dr. Fu, please unmute your microphone.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Anand. Based on my experience, I also I visited Ghana a few times, and one company imported bamboo machines from China, and they use the bamboo splitting, bamboo splitting, as you see from Professor Fu's this bamboo splitting machine. Yeah. So from this splitting, and then I think maybe for some tropical bamboo is not good. So we use the saw, the round saw, to cut the bamboo in same width. Yeah, not just splitting. We just use the round saw, tall or round saw to cut the bamboo. So also allow. I have seen this automatic bamboo splitting machine. One is for moso, and another is cut the each bamboo silver in the same width. Yeah, not just splitting. Just they use via saw to cut the bamboo come into same width for each pieces. So I think this is suitable for tropical bamboo species. And but for the after the splitting, and I think many processing is similar, tropical bamboo and moso bamboo. So Mr. Alada, another question, and from this question from Mexico, and he thank your excellent presentation, and you mentioned that your machine exported to your universal machine is working in Mexico. So he like to know where he can find it in Mexico. He have to look in Mexico.
In Mexico, we have a dealer in Mexico. We have more than 50 or probably more than 50, 60 machines in Mexico. There is a resort in Palenco. You can see our machines over there. Then in Puebla, there are machines of ours. Mr. Benjerano Lopez has our machines. Amado Martinez has our machines over there. So there are many, many clients in Mexico right now. So it's possible you can send the contact information by email to Jingwei, and my colleague Jingwei can forward your consumers list in Mexico to our audience in Mexico. Okay? Yeah, definitely, we can do that. Yeah, so maybe he is a potential consumer for your machine in Mexico. So another one more thing, I just wanted to add, like in Mexico, we gave the splitting machine, like you mentioned, the chain one doesn't work with harder bamboos. So we developed a hydraulic splitting machine for the gigantus bamboo also, in which we can split the bamboo using the force of hydraulic. So that works for most kind of bamboos available in the world. Okay. Okay. So I just said a question for you, Mr. Arnold. So how such machines are made easily available for small enterprises in developing countries? How is the maintenance and durability issues of these machines? And also he asked how frequently you have to maintain these machines, please. Like we have been making these machines from 1978. So this has been more than 40 years of making similar machines. When we make a first machine, it can have problems. But when we are making machines and developing machines for more than 30, 40 years, the machine becomes better and better. It becomes more durable, it becomes more stronger, and it depends on the consumer. Like if they specify us which species of bamboo they want to use, we design the machines according to that species so that it works perfectly fine with the bamboo they have. Okay, I just found the questions. Yeah.
富博那个 Michael Kwaku 刚来的一个那个问题非常好。
是什么问题？你要么你直接说吧啊。
Michael Kwaku from Ghana asked about often when African bamboo producers purchased the bamboo machine and they are getting the manufacturers to provide after-sale service become very difficult. Is there a plan in future for machine suppliers to assist bamboo companies in Africa with sales service after purchasing the bamboo machines? I think this question, should I translate it? I think this question is similar to that one asked by Mr. Wandi Gamon from Ethiopia. Oh no, from Ashbir from Ethiopia. So he asked how much machines are made easily available for small-scale enterprises in developing countries. How is the maintenance and durability issues of those machines? How frequent? So this is a similar question.
So Ms. Anna, maybe I ask you, what is your service time for your machine after you sell your machine? Is it 1 year or 2 years or how long? All our machines are warranted for 1 year. We normally ask the client to come down for the trials at our place, but presently it may not be possible for everyone to come for trials. So what we do is we make an entire video of the working. We have entire manuals written in English, Spanish, and Italian of all the machines so that the customer can read it and understand the machines. If they want to understand any part maintenance of the machine, we make a video of it and then explain it to the customer, because it may not be easy for a person to go right now to install a small machine
but we would like to help the client install and run the machines properly. Most of the times, the problem is not of the machine, it's problem of not getting the training of the machines properly. If the person is not trained properly, he may never use the machine properly. So we try to train the person as best as possible.
Yes, yes, I
Okay.
agree.
Also, I asked Miss Moore's company， 莫总，我想问一下，您那个公司的这个机器这个担保质量保证是1年还是多长时间 ？I asked also the same question to Mr. Moore.
We also give 1 year guarantee. It's international standard.
So after 1 year, if there are problem, so the consumer can get US technical service based on the cost, yeah?
Yeah, costing and by many ways. If need we on the spot, go to the door to give service. Also, we can do.
Yeah.
But they need to take the charge, of course.
Yeah. Yeah. May I make an additional comment on this question about after sales, the services? I think it's very complicated issue, and because the machine manufacturer, their machines are firstly produced for Mosul, but Mosul's property is quite different from the tropical species. Although they could work on tropical species, but in a different climate and with the different hardness and moisture content in the material, there must be a lot of problems. One of the problems would be the wear off of the blades would be very fast. So this issue could be solved. I agree with Anand that we need to train some of the. First, we need to train the workers or the technicians in the country, in the African country, or in those countries where the machines are introduced to, because this is very important. You must have your own personnel, professional personnel, who knows where is the problem and which part of the machine wear off the most, and what is the issue first. Because we are so far away, our Chinese technicians could not be always there, because for the moment it is not possible for companies like Guosen to set up our agency in Africa. Maybe in the future, but now it is not possible. So therefore, the best way is to train the professional personnel. Another way is that when when your country, you have researchers about your bamboo, and you need to report before you order. You need to report to the companies about the properties of your bamboo very, very exactly. Means you need to provide the parameters and the end product needs, and you can develop the machines. I mean, they can adjust the machines for your bamboo and for your end product requirements. So you can discuss about this. You can explore about the possibilities of adjusting the machine for your bamboo. This is 2 ways for you to make sure that the machine can have a longer shelf life, and you have at least the technical people who knows when the parts are well off and how to debugging during the production. So this is very important. This is my suggestion.
Mr. Moore, this is another question. So also to ask, did you export the machine to Mexico? So for me, I first to ask you, and which countries you export your machine besides China? So, and annually, what is the output of a company's the income? How many US dollars of income your company per year? 2 questions. And which countries you exported your machine, and second, the annual income, how many dollars per year?
We just explain the countries export the machine about the bamboo or all the machines.
Bamboo.
Bamboo, huh?
Or you can explain bamboo and wood. You can separate.
Okay. About the bamboo, we mainly export to Ghana, Vietnam, Madagascar, and Bangladesh, also India, and bamboo, and Laos. I can't remember all those countries. And
how many countries?
I guess 8 or 9 countries like that. Of course, the countries have the bamboo, industrial should be have bamboo planting. Colombia, sorry, this time, letters laughing, I cannot remember all like this.
大概有多少产值啊？请莫总回答一下 ，Mr. Mo 呀。
$5,000 US. 5 million.
Okay, I see.
Around, yeah.
This is only for bamboo or bamboo and wood?
但是竹子这个好像差不多。Oh, just for bamboo. Yeah, I must, ask him because he's boss. I don't know.
Okay, I see. Yeah. Wish you have good business. Yeah. So there is another question for Professor Fu, and they like to know how we can increase the cooperation with Colombia to improve the use of local bamboo resource with the use of this equipment.
I have sent the message to the question and answer. I visited Brazil twice as an expert from the Ministry of Science and Technology of China in 2017 and 2018. I learned that South America is rich in bamboo resources, but some bamboo species are quite different from China, such as thick-walled bamboo, Guojun bamboo, and solid bamboo. We are cooperating with the University of São Paulo to introduce Chinese bamboo machinery to South America and jointly develop machinery suitable for South America bamboo species. Yeah.
There's another new question, and this audience like to have, it's from our colleague Mr. Ashebe from Ethiopia, and he like to get this how to say, a copy, like a PDF copy of bamboo machinery with the description per product type, and is Mr. Moore and Mr. Anand, can you supply this like a product catalog in soft copy? 就是他们想要那个产品目录。
穆总，你产品目录能不能给？
Of course can give, but I don't know how to show in here, you know.
Yeah, no worry, and you can send to Jingwei, and Jingwei have the contact. So the audience, please send your email address to Jingwei, and she can forward the catalogs to you, Ms.
Yes.
Ashburn. Yeah.
Yes, I have asked the audiences to send me the feedback forms and including their contact information in the feedback forms, or directly type their email accounts into the Q&A session. I think Ashbir's question is that is there a list of machines by product types? So that means 就是根据这个产品的类型，我们来列出这个所需要的这个机械设备。然后我已经回答他了。I have already answered this question. I think it's difficult because some of the machines is for primary processing, some of the machines is for secondary processing, and some of the machines is for deep and fine processing. So, and it all depends on the requirements of the end product. So, it's very hard to list the machines by product types.
Yeah, sure. And also I think it's a good question. You know, when you plan to open a factory, and also the machine have different capacity. For example, for the bamboo floor, so per year you produce 10,000 square meter or 1 million squares per year. So it's even the same products. It depends on your capacity, production capacity. You have to buy different machine. Yeah, for example, for the hot press machine, it's very one time they can press many boards in one time in half hour by hot steam. So it's depend on your investment and your production capacity. Yeah, so it's quite also different even for the same products. So and there is another question. I think is also a challenge. You know, in Ethiopia they have solid bamboo. The diameter only 4 to 8 centimeters. This question is from my colleague Woody Magin, and so he raised this question and about this lowland bamboo processing because it's solid, or most of the bamboo has a very small hollow, and but some bamboo, about 20% of the bamboo can is solid, and the diameter only 4 to 8 centimeters. So. And the total bamboo is only 7 meters high. So any suggestions for Mr. Allard, Professor Fu, and Mr. Mo, and for this species? Because for me, I think very few people started this bamboo processing. Yeah, please. You can answer this question. Yeah, Mr. Allard, please first.
We are already working on solid bamboos. I showed in my presentation also a joinery for furnitures using solid bamboo. In India, we would have at least 4 plants that are making furniture from solid bamboo. And they are even exporting to US, Europe, and other places, the furniture made. The joinery that we are using for solid bamboo is close to wood, and the material that is being made is very strong because the processing requirement of bamboo is very less. We can directly turn the bamboo into one round rod. I'll just show you. If you want me.
Can you show the products? Yeah, for your museum.
This is a round bamboo.
Yeah. It's like wood.
This is solid.
Yeah.
So we can use it directly.
I saw this.
And this has been turned in our factory.
Yeah.
As a trial. So that is possible.
Example in our exhibition room in Beijing. So, Professor Fu, can you give your opinion how we can use this solid bamboo?
I'm sorry, I have no idea about this, but I would like to show you a small product about brass recombined in original status.
Yeah. It's like a similar like your how to say bamboo recombining in original statue. And also I discussed Yeah, Professor Fu, please.
Here is a bamboo lumber.
Yeah.
You can say with arc shape.
Yeah, can you go to the camera? We cannot see the sample. We can only see your face. Sorry.
No, we see. We saw it. We saw it. The sections. Okay, the sections.
Also like this.
我怎么看不见？
like this. You can see.
Yes.
We combine the original status because the natural bamboo pipe is round. The pieces with arc shape.
So then you have to cut the lowland bamboo in half. Yeah. So then can grow together. Half.
Maybe not only half. Several pieces.
Okay, maybe 3 or 4 pieces.
Yeah. Several pieces. You can say.
Yeah. I see.
Clear?
Yeah, because before I read your PPT or some paper for this products. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And Mr. Mo, do you have any idea how we can use this solid bamboo? 打开你的麦克风。
It's my solid bamboo. Bamboo lumber.
Or it can, how to say, instead of wood, same application with wood.
Yeah.
Sure.
So, okay. Because I discussed with one company and we will meet tomorrow. And this company like to invest in Ethiopia also. So they like to use lowland bamboo for screen bed or OSB. 就是有个天津的公司想你拿这个竹子来做针轴地板。So they also discuss with some companies in China. So I think it's possible they just crush this lowland bamboo and they glue and then by press to produce this bamboo screen bed 针竹。
Yeah.
莫总的意见呢？你觉得怎么样？
He said, yeah, it's a good idea.
Because I also read this information. You can use wood, small size wood for screen bed, wood screen bed. So I think bamboo is also the same, yeah. And sure, and for the lowland bamboo, it's a good material for bamboo pumping and also for bamboo shoot. Because last August we enjoyed this delicious bamboo shoot from the lowland bamboo. And also it's very good material for bamboo charcoal because like wood, you can produce solid bamboo charcoal. Yeah. So okay, thank you very much. And yeah, we are late. Yeah. So we have to stop here and yeah. So I like to thank Professor Fu and Ms. Mo and Ms. Anlad again for your excellent presentations. And also I like to thank our audience for your participation and questions. Hope our session is helpful and useful for you. And also I would like to thank my colleague Jin Wei and Liu Qingfei for your help to make this session successful. After the session, INBAR will upload the session recording online, and you can watch it later. And yeah, you can get the link from INBAR website. Yeah, where we have this webinar our page on INBAR website. So you are welcome to our how to say 16th session on 16th October, the same time, 1930. The topic is bamboo pulp and the paper making and the bamboo fiber. Bamboo fiber, we like the professor, invite the professor introduce his production, commercial production on natural bamboo fiber. Even for me, this is also an exciting topic because from bamboo industry, bamboo pulp and the paper making is the biggest industry in bamboo sector. So, for example, in one bamboo mill you have to invest how to say several hundred million US dollar. For example, one company like to invest $2 billion US dollar to use lowland bamboo for bamboo pumping. So you can see bamboo pumping and paper making, and also the bamboo fiber, the natural bamboo fiber we can use for interior decoration for car, for airplane, for train, and yeah. So it's a very exciting and innovative area. So thank you all, and bye-bye.
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 It's my pleasure.
Yeah,
thank you.
And
Bye-bye.
Ms. Mo and Ms. Liu, Ms. Anlad, and
拜拜，老穆，我下球去啊。